Welcome to UIlicious. Today I will demonstrate how you can automate testing for your web application using UIlicious. The first step is to register a new account, then create a new project. Within our new project, let's create our first test. Our philosophy at UIlicious is test user journeys, not HTML. Let me show you. We're going to write a simple test scenario for an e-commerce website. First, let's go to the website we want to test. Then fill the search field with the product we are looking for. Press enter to initiate the search. Make sure I see the product we want. Then click view details. Click add to cart. And finally, ensure that I see a success message on the cart page. Now run the test. Let's select our target browser. UIlicious supports all major browsers. Let's select our resolution. There are options for standard desktop, tablet, and mobile resolutions. And run the test. You can see the results of your test on the right. UIlicious will take a screenshot every step of the way to show you what's going on. And that's how simple it is to automate tests with UIlicious. Write tests that are readable and can be easily maintained by anyone in your team. Sharing the test results. You can share the test results with your team and stakeholders as an interactive slideshow or a PDF. You can also annotate the report and write comments to describe issues more clearly. Schedule the test. Now that we've created our test, we can schedule it to run automatically instead of manually pressing the run button all the time. Click on the schedule button to create a job for this test. Select the browsers and resolutions to run your test with. Set a schedule to run your test as often as you need. Anytime, any day. UIlicious never sleeps. UIlicious will never complain either, unless a test fails, of course. Email and webhook notifications can be configured to alert you when a test fails. You can monitor the status of your jobs on the Monitoring tab. Selecting a job reveals its history of test runs and associated reports. And there we go. That's how easy it is to write a test in UIlicious and set up a job to continuously test your web application. Testing is a piece of cake with UIlicious.